Alright guys, I'm gonna try to do the Vortex CrossfireHD1400 laser rangefinder unboxing and maybe a little bit of a review. So let's see how this goes. I haven't really done reviews of these things yet, so we'll see how it goes. So nice little rangefinder, shipped in nice little box. Thanks Vortex Canada for taking care of me. Got all the specs. We are Vortex Nation. This is kind of neat. Belt clip. What else we've got in here? Our trusted CR2 battery. Velcro. Strap. Another strap, I'm assuming. Cleaning cloth. All Vortex stuff that I've got so far, they all come with it. So, yeah. And of course, your trusted manual, which I will definitely take a look. Well, let's see how this is packaged. This arrived in very short time. Vortex in Canada, here in Ontario. I placed the order on Monday. It was confirmed on Tuesday, and yeah, delivered Friday. Silly pads, those of you in the shooting sports, we know like them. Keep them around always for your ammunition or store near your guns. The one thing I like about the 1400, it is very easy to change up, open up the battery here. I had the pleasure of playing around with it in the store. You got your measure button, Vortex logo, you got your menu button. Very simple and easy to use. Quickly open up the battery. Believe there's only one way for it to go. So battery is in. Let's see if we can. So just trying to get the camera position here. Works right off the get-go. Little red dot in there. Doesn't actually project on anything. So you can probably see. See if we can hold it in this position. And let's try to take a measurement. I'm also going on a see-through screen. So apparently it does work through the screen. Just doesn't want to work on certain other things. So just to kind of show you guys, 11.9 yards. I just have to put it out towards the window. It doesn't seem like it wants to work too close, or I'm just not getting the proper camera angle. So yeah, there you have it guys. Quick little unboxing. Okay guys, so this is a 5x zoom. I just tried playing around with it, just trying to get a proper camera angle. This is literally just my camera on the item. So I apologize. So as you can see, there's some issues, it doesn't want to do it. There's your measurements in yards. I'm not expecting it to work that great right now given the leaf coverage, and I haven't really played around with it. But there is menus first, last. Holding the menu button brings you into the mode. You got HCD, you got range, and you got display. It was set to 3 from the factory. We can change it to 1 for the brightness, 2, 3, 4, and 5 depending on your needs. I typically will probably going to keep it at 4 depending on what I'm looking at. But yeah, very lightweight. Only thing I wish Vortex would have done on this model is had it a little pin so I can set her up on the tripod. But other than that, yeah, just gotta actually read the manual now.